guys, today we're gonna open all these toys.
And I got Ryan War Pack.
Yes, it's awesome. Let's get them
Alright.
I got monster trucks and I got this ninja. I'm gonna open
I
this.
got a Blackbird Spider and 2 monster trucks and a Bumblebee pack.
Maya, what do you got?
I got a Ryan War Pack with a lot of guns. It's a suitcase.
Open it. This is gonna be cool. This is harder than I thought it would be. This is harder than I thought it would be. This thing looks amazing! Look at my monster
Oh, this is pretty fast. This goes right here. I got a water bottle. Mom, I got a water bottle in case if I need water. Mommy,
Up to 12 blaster combos.
Whoa! We need to try to make it in here. Wait, the monster truck landed here, right? So the monster truck might land here. The car probably might land all the way over here. Open this. I'm getting tangled. Can Robo Pack, Arden Black, Ninja Squad, or Paxton Paper. You can be Agent Tiger, Dark Howl, or Agent White Wizard, or Ninja Squad Ashton, or Eyeball Monster, or Alien Crew. These are the ones you can get. These guys too. That's fun. It's a mission 23. Help Agent Tiger fight the Ivo monster. But I don't have Agent. Well, you get Robot Action and Robot Pizza in this one. But you get Robot Pax and Robot Bryson in this thing.